If you think this is true, my dear child, then like this video and subscribe to the channel if you consider yourself to be a believer in God. And if you in Christianity, please help our community by making a great donation. From $50 to $100, thank you. May God bless you, my child. Like Amen, my little child. I have witnessed your soul's journey and seen your heart through life's hardships, and I am aware of the weights that you have carried. Every tear, every sigh, and every doubtful moment remains. Unnoticed, you've experienced internal conflicts and the weight of the world bearing down on you. But here you are, still looking for me, still pleading with me for advice, and still desiring the tranquility that only I can provide. In the stillness, I perceive your supplications. In the gloom, I discern the glimmer of your belief even when you, though it could appear like you travel alone, trust that you are not alone. I'm with you every step of the way as you go alone down the valley. My love for you is limitless. I will carry you when your strength fails and guide you when the route seems confusing. It is more steadfast and consistent than the anxieties that keep you up at night, and I'm speaking to you now in this love, despite the concerns that threaten to rob you of hope. The people in your environment have attempted to convince you that you are insufficient, that your efforts are in vain, and that the challenges. These are the voices of doubt. The obstacles you must conquer are too large, and dishonesty are not from me. I have addressed you by name. I have placed gifts, talents, and a purpose far beyond this world's bounds within you. And I keep your unique destiny in mind and resist the urge to let the outside noise overwhelm you. Hear me clearly. Pay great attention, since I'm speaking directly to your heart right now, waiting for a clue, an epiphany, a message from me. This is it. This is your time. It's your turn, my child. You've persevered and gone through more than most could tolerate. That the time has come for you to accept the calling I have given you to your life, so you don't have to second-guess who I am anymore. There is a purpose I have put before you, and I have provided you with everything you need to achieve it. A route that has been planned out for you that leads to blessings you cannot imagine, but it is not a free path. The journey ahead will demand faith, tenacity, and confidence in. Do not fear the impediments that I shall encounter. I will utilize my timing. Even though it could feel like a setback, every obstacle serves as a tool for you to grow and shape into the person you were destined to be. Truth, a prelude to something bigger. Believe in my scheme, since I perceive the conclusion from the you've been wondering why you've been waiting for so long. And I'm taking you to a place of wealth. Wondered why doors stayed locked and chances eluded you, my darling. Every delay has had for your safety. Every closed door has served as a hand holding what you may have thought to be rejection. I have been working behind the scenes, arranging for you to experience something better. Conditions favorable to you in my time. Everything will work out for your. Now is an excellent time to awaken your spirit, prepare your head, and ready your heart to benefit from what I am about to do in your life. My gifts will be abundant, but you must be prepared to accept them. Get rid of any residual doubts. Let go of the anxieties that have prevented you from moving on, and have faith that I am who I claim to be. Your caregiver, healer, guardian, and you are entering a time of favor, and I promise not to let you down. This is not by coincidence. I have been preparing you for the difficulties you have faced right up until this point. Have not been in vain. They have strengthened and molded you. Now is the moment for you to ascend, to grasp the assurances I've given you. Don't back down. Don't question you are my child, and I am happy with the way you look forward to anticipation. Be aware that I'm ahead of you, straightening the crooked road, paving the path for you to enter triumph. The waiting period is now over. For now, move forward with confidence, knowing that I will be by your side every step of the way. You are not traveling down this route by yourself. I am leading, directing, and granting you the ability to make every choice that is in accordance with my will. There will be times when the opponent uses deception and temptation to try to divert you and take you astray, but keep in mind that you are protected. You are protected by my blood, by my grace, and no weapon created against you will be successful, because I have already triumphed, because you maintain your faith and do not waver. I am your stronghold, your haven from the potential storms, and your source of strength. As you move into this new season, remember that you have all you need. Keep your eyes on me, and don't be influenced by other people's viewpoints or the demands of this world. You simply need to listen to my voice. Pay attention, and I'll lead you in the right direction and bestow upon you wisdom. If you were seeing this, get ready for a miracle that will change your life completely for the better. Be playful today, try something new, and smile as though your life is getting better and better. Don't expect how it should happen. Just know that something amazing will surprise you, and that it will keep surprising you because you deserve it. Everything in your life will become positive and full of energy, and the universe will do something wonderful for you. Many opportunities will present themselves and welcome you, and it will indicate that all of your unfulfilled dreams will come true. To confirm this, God is telling you today that you are blessed, favored, strong, talented, valuable, and free, that you have greatness within you, that you are destined to improve the world, that you are going to shine, and that you will experience my favor in greater ways, that you have already celebrated others, but that you are about to come with the background of being ignored to being in charge, and that you are about to enter your greatest season. I will never let those who believe in me and who hope in me down. You are aware of Daniel, Joseph, Abraham, David, Hannah, Esther. Despite everything they had to deal with, they had faith in me and thought I would hear their prayers at the appropriate moment. I never let them down. Instead, I gave them the blessings I had saved for them at the appropriate moment. I am aware that you have faith in me, and I promise never to let you down. God is rearranging things and people in your life in order to deposit your blessings, but some circumstances and relationships must change. Not everyone can accompany you on this next stage of your journey because they are ill-equipped to help or encourage you. Some blessings make people jealous in ways you never would have imagined. At this stage, you need only those who can deal with watching you succeed. Your time has come. Type 2. 2 to confirm that God is saying that a new door is coming. Some of you are sitting at a closed door that hurt you and left you feeling hopeless, but God wants you to know that there is another door that He is going to open. It will lead you to a place full of joy and happiness that you never imagined was possible. Don't give up while you're sitting at the closed door. Another one is coming, and I promise you will bear much fruit. In the midst of Job's darkest hour, when he was at his most discouraged and didn't think it would ever work out, God told him in Job 8:21 that He was going to show up not only to lead you to your destiny, but also to show those around you that the Lord is on your side. He was about to do something so significant, so unusual, so out of the ordinary, that there would be no doubt that His favor is on your life. I slightly fill your lips with joyous yells and your mouth with laughter as God tells you what He told Job. Happiness, breakthroughs, healing, and advancement are all in the horizon. There is something so powerful happening in the spiritual realm right now. God is moving powerfully, and I genuinely believe that we are about to see God move like never before. Be ready and stay expectant for sudden victories and favor. God is going to do something so amazing and extraordinary that you will be so overwhelmed and grateful that all you can do is laugh. Your mourning will turn to dancing, and your sorrow will turn to joy. Type 3 to confirm this. He is still God, good, and more than capable. A wave of restoration is coming. God put the broken souls under this ministry. Heavy on my spirit tonight. The Spirit of the Lord is saying, I am coming to restore everything the enemy has stolen. You shall recover all. It's all coming back to you. Everything the Lord has spoken, everything He has promised, it's all coming. Hold on, the enemy can no longer touch what is yours. You're so close to everything you've been praying and believing God for. I truly felt the need to tell someone that this morning you were so close to receiving everything you were promised. Don't doubt it in this season. It's here, I can feel it. God has moved. Something very specific is about to happen for you. God is about to surprise you with blessings that will leave you speechless. I know it's been hard recently, but that's because your season of great love and abundance is approaching, and you needed the wisdom and strength that you've received through every challenge. All you have to do now is take it one day at a time, move forward faithfully, and allow God to manifest the rest. Type 444. 2 confirms that God is telling you that you will receive the miracle you have been praying for today. Only I am able to do the seemingly impossible. I can make a way where there seems to be no way. I'm going to touch your health, your home, your family, your faith, and your finances today with healing blessings and favor. I need you to really stay focused in the coming days. I'm going to bless you soon with what you have been patiently waiting for, and the enemy knows this. The enemy is going to use people that you know to distract you with pettiness. Don't respond to that. Continue to quietly go about your day, and be ready for the blessing. Now is not the time for backing down. I'm taking you to another level. There will be obstacles. Friends are going to walk out on you. The enemy will try to steal your worship, your faith, and your joy. Don't to the left or to the right. Keep your focus on me. I will be with you every step of the way. God is saying to you today, you have been waiting for this breakthrough for years now. At times it seemed as though it was not going to happen, but I kept it alive. When it seemed all but dead, you did not give up. You kept the faith. No one really knows how much you have gone through because of it. Now, it is your due season. I'm about to send your breakthrough delayed, but not denied. Type 5. 5. 5 to affirms this. God sometimes will take you through dark times, and those times in your life are when God is conforming you to His image, and being covered in that darkness, being covered in that pressure is not easy, as you are not in control of all the situations, but God is putting you through things that you don't want to go through. He is doing it for His calling, for His purpose, for His righteousness' sake, to conform you to the image of His Son, Jesus Christ, and to mold you into a man of God. You don't have to figure out how God controls the universe. God is in charge of the finances, the economy, and your adversaries.